Hi, I'm Jim Elser, Sweet Smoke Q. Today we'll be making not your typical bacon cheeseburger. All right, the first thing we're gonna make some caramelized onions. I'm gonna finely slice these onions. We have our sliced red onions, some salt and pepper, a little sugar, a little bit of butter, and a touch of olive oil. All right, we're gonna put these onions on here at 400 degrees until they're caramelized. Now we're gonna take this ground beef, we're gonna make some patties. About 2-pound packages, divide that up. And I like to use 80-20, which is 80% meat to 20% fat. The fat will give you flavor and moisture. All right, once we got the patties formed, we're gonna season them. This is our sweet smoke beef rub. Once we season this with the rub, I like for them to set for a half hour at least so that rub can start to melt down. This is how I like to cook bacon on the Green Mountain. Put it on a rack in a pan, just lay your bacon right on top of that rack. All right, we're gonna put this on the GMG at 400 degrees until crispy. All right, we're gonna put the burgers on 20 minutes after we put the onions on. For these onions, they're really translucent, flimsy. You don't wanna burn them, but you want them to be really soft and sweet. All right, what we're looking for these burgers, medium rare is about 130. So they've been on here for about 10 minutes, so they're ready to pull off. All right, the bacon's done. It's been in about 45 minutes. You want it crispy like that. We actually toasted up some buns. So now we're gonna assemble these not your typical bacon cheeseburgers. First we have some arugula, a little peppery bite. We're gonna put one of these nice patties on there. Add some bacon. Yeah, one more. Everybody likes bacon. Now we have these nice caramelized onions right on top. Now this is not your typical cheese, it's a goat cheese. Nice and tangy. And last, some nice tomatoes. And finishing it off. And that's not your typical bacon cheeseburger.